Hello guys, welcome to our channel Physiology Notes. So today we are discuss about the vitamins. So let's start the video. Vitamins are organic compounds required by an organism in trace amount to perform specific cellular functions, and vitamins are not synthesized by humans. Vitamins are different chemical nature. Those are alcohols, aldehyde, organic acids, their derivatives, and nucleotide derivatives. And vitamins must be supplied by the diet. And vitamins can be classified according to their solubility and their functions in metabolism. And vitamins may be water soluble or fat soluble. And here is the fat soluble A, D, E, and K. And here is the water soluble vitamins, which is not stored in tissue. Here is B complex and C. And all the vitamins except vitamin C, all vitamins are act as a coenzyme in metabolic reactions. Vitamin B complexes. This is the water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex consists of a group of vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. All these members of vitamin B complexes are not related either chemical or physiologically, but they possess some common features. All of them are water soluble. Most of them act as a coenzyme that take part in metabolic pathways. Most of them can be obtained from the same sources, that is liver and yeast. Most of them can be synthesized by intestinal bacteria. And here is the name of B complex vitamins. Vitamin B1 known as thiamine, vitamin B2 riboflavin, vitamin B3 is niacin, nicotinic acid, vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 paradoxal, vitamin B7 is biotin, vitamin B9 is folate acid, vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. So let's discuss about the vitamin B1, known as thiamine. Thiamine is known as a vitamin B1 as it was known as a anti-beriberi factor due to its coding action against beriberi. Vitamin B1 is found in all plants and animals foods. Milk also contains thiamine, although in relative low amounts. TPP, thiamine pyrophosphate, is a cofactor in decarboxylation reaction. Here's the structure. Vitamin B2 known as a riboflavin, and it act as a coenzyme oxidative reduction reaction. Vitamin B2 is known as a riboflavin. It is popularly known as a yellow enzyme because of its color. It is found in naturally as two flavin coenzymes, namely flavin mononucleotide known as FMN and flavin adenine dinucleotide FA2. In FAD, one nucleotide is present. Various sources of riboflavin are milk, cheese, egg, and yeast. Leafy vegetables are richer in riboflavin than they are in thiamine. Riboflavin consists of sugar alcohol attached to chromogenic dimethyl isolexazine ring at Ng. Flavin containing proteins are enzymes that catalyze oxidation reduction reaction using either FMN or FAD as a coenzyme. And there is some name of enzymes. Acetyl CoA dehydrogenases, and is also act as a coenzyme in oxidative reduction reaction. Vitamin B3 is known as a nicotinic acid or niacin. The term nicotinic acid is less commonly used to avoid any association with the alkaloid nicotinic of tobacco. Niacin is widely distributed in plants and animal tissues as an amide called niacinamide. Niacin is most abundant found in yeast. Other sources of niacin are liver, salmon, and red meat, groundnut, sunflower oil. The conversion of niacin to nicotinamide takes place in kidney, brain, and liver is present. The human and other animal niacin is synthesized from amino acid tryptophan. NAD by amidation and subsequent nicotinamide is also synthesized from NAD by amidation and subsequent degradations. In plant, NADP is present in NAD2 nucleotide 10%, and And deficiency of niacin causes pellagra, a disease involving the skin and central nervous system. And there's the vitamin B5 known as pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 is also known as pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is widely present in yeast, liver, and eggs. Vitamin B5 is synthesized by plants and microorganisms, but not by animals. Therefore, it is required in diet to serve as starting point for COA. Acetyl-CoA is important coenzyme in carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. This is the structure of B5 vitamins. Let's discuss about the vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 also known as antidermatics. There are three compounds in vitamin B6 group: pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. Vitamin B6 is rich in peas, carrots, potatoes, bananas, and yeast. It is also found in milk, egg yolk, salmon, chicken, fish, and liver. Here's the structure of pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamide. When pyridoxine is oxidized, then pyridoxal will form, and when amide group is attached in the pyridoxal, when pyridoxamine is formed. Let's discuss about the vitamin B7. Vitamin B7 is known as biotin, is sometimes referred to as vitamin H. It is produced by intestinal bacteria as well as found in yeast, liver, kidney, milk, and molasses. Biotin is present in nature in combined state called biocytin, linked with the peptide bond with amino and lysine. Removal of biotin from biocytin and recycling of biotin from biotin dependent enzyme requires the activity of the enzyme biotinidase. Vitamin B9, folic acid and its derivatives are widely distributed in biological world. It is present in liver, kidney, yeast, and spinach. Like thiamine, with the improper cooking, folic acid content is destroyed. Folic acid consists of three units: glutamic acid, P-aminobenzoic acid, and pterin, which is a derivative of a heterocyclic fused ring compound. And here's the last vitamin of B complex known as vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is the last vitamin of B complex known as cyanocobalamin. The coenzyme form of this vitamin is known as cobamide coenzyme. Vitamin B12 is found in animal. Major sources of vitamin B12 is liver. Less amount present in milk, meat, egg, fish. It is synthesized by intestinal microorganisms. It is not present in plant food except spirulina, which is a blue-green algae. Animal and plants do not synthesize this vitamin. Only microorganisms, especially bacteria, synthesize cobalamin. Structure of B12 is one of the most complex structure known. The cobalt atom is located in the central and surrounded by a macrocytic structure of four reduced pyrrole rings, collectively called carene. Out of 6 coordinate valencies of the cobalt atom, 4 are satisfied by 4 nitrogens of the reduced tetrapyrrole. Fifth and sixth valency satisfied by nitrogen atom of 5,6 dimethyl benzamidazole and cyanide ion. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So thank you so much.